Unraveling the meaning of boastful, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the meaning and usage of the word boastful. If you've ever come across this word while reading or listening to English, and wondered what it exactly means, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and learn about this interesting word together. Boastful is an adjective used to describe a person who boasts a lot. But what does boasting mean? Boasting refers to talking about oneself with excessive pride or self-satisfaction, often exaggerating one's achievements or qualities. When someone is boastful, they tend to brag about themselves, their possessions, or their accomplishments, sometimes in a way that can make others feel uncomfortable or less. For example, a boastful person might say things like, "I'm the best player on the team. I got the highest score in the class. I've been to more countries than anyone else I know." Now that we know what boastful means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Since boastful is an adjective, it is used to describe nouns, usually people. Here are some examples. She gave a boastful speech about her achievements. He has a boastful attitude, always talking about his wealth and success. My friend can be boastful at times, but she's a good person. Understanding synonyms, words with similar meanings, and antonyms, words with opposite meanings, can help us grasp the meaning of boastful even better. Synonyms include arrogant, bragging, cocky, conceited, proud. Antonyms include humble, modest, down-to-earth, unpretentious. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the word boastful. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, while it's great to be proud of your achievements, balance is key. Being modest and acknowledging the contributions of others can create a positive and supportive environment. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning.